Your entry door is the first thing guests and potential buyers notice when approaching your home. In Pell City, where Southern charm, pride of ownership, and comfortable living define the community, having an attractive and well-maintained entry door can make all the difference. Whether you're considering a full home makeover or simply want a standout upgrade, new entry doors are one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal and refresh your home's exterior. Here's how upgrading your entry door can transform the look and feel of your Pell City home. A fresh, updated look that turns heads over time. Old entry doors can fade, chip, warp, or show signs of wear. These imperfections can make your home appear outdated, even if the rest of your exterior is well kept. A new entry door provides an instant facelift, giving your facade a polished, modern, and inviting appearance. With countless styles available, traditional, craftsman, farmhouse, modern, rustic, and more, you can choose a door that perfectly reflects your home's architecture and your personal taste. A new entry door can revitalize your home's exterior, replace outdated materials and faded colors, complement siding, shutters, and trim, add personality and charm in a close-knit Pell City neighborhood. This upgrade can truly help your home stand out. Bold colors that make a statement. Entry doors offer a unique opportunity to add a pop of color to your home. Whether you prefer a bold southern red, coastal blue, elegant black, or a warm natural wood stain, your entry door can create a memorable focal point. Popular color choices for Pell City homes include deep reds for a warm, welcoming feel, charcoal gray or black for a sleek, modern aesthetic, navy or teal for a rich, stylish touch, natural wood stains for rustic or traditional homes. The right color choice can significantly elevate your curb appeal and make your entryway more inviting. Stylish glass inserts that add light and beauty. Many modern entry doors come with decorative glass options that enhance both beauty and functionality. These glass inserts allow natural light to filter into your home while maintaining privacy, creating a bright and welcoming entry area. Glass inserts offer frosted and textured designs for privacy, elegant geometric or floral patterns, stained glass accents for artistic flair, impact-rated glass options for added security. These decorative features add visual interest and sophistication, enhancing curb appeal with a custom touch. Improved symmetry and balance for a polished look. New entry doors can help create architectural balance, especially when paired with matching sidelights, transoms, or updated exterior lighting. These additions frame the doorway beautifully, giving your Pell City home a well-proportioned, eye-catching entrance. Upgrading your entryway can improve the visual harmony of your exterior, make your home look more refined and complete, create stronger curb appeal from every angle. A balanced entryway is not only visually pleasing, it also signals quality and care to visitors. Enhancing curb appeal while improving functional value. While style is important, functionality matters too. New entry doors are built with better materials, improved insulation, and advanced security features, all of which add practical value to your home. Modern entry doors offer better energy efficiency, stronger resistance to warping and weather, quieter indoor environments, enhanced locking systems. This added functionality makes your home more comfortable, secure, and attractive to future buyers, all while boosting curb appeal. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal is one of the biggest factors influencing a home's market value. A beautiful, updated entry door creates a strong first impression, making your home stand out in Pell City's competitive real estate market. A new entry door can increase perceived home value, attract more interest from buyers, make your listing photos more appealing, provide a high return on investment even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon. This upgrade adds long-lasting value and enjoyment. Refresh your Pell City home with a stunning new entry door. New entry doors offer one of the most cost-effective and visually impactful upgrades you can make to your Pell City home. From bold colors to elegant glass designs and improved functionality, a new door transforms your entryway into an inviting, stylish focal point. If you're ready to boost curb appeal and make your home truly shine, upgrading your entry door is the perfect place to start.